In this video, I will be showing you how to check Claude usage limit in Claude paid plans. So let's get started. So for this, to the left we'll be having our profile icon. Click it and go to settings, and here we are having the usage option. But when I did the exact same in the free plan, I couldn't find the usage option at all. So I guess this method works only in the paid plan in the web UI. So click on usage. As you can see, I am using the pro plan. Here we are having the current session and the percentage it has been used with the reset timing, and we are also having the weekly limits for all models with the reset timing, the percentage used, and we are also having for the Fable also. And to get the latest updated one, you can simply click on refresh over here. And here we are having usage credits. If you want, you can turn it on also. That's up to you. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.